We're away in the van for 48 hours. It's a heat wave. Our van is insulated really well for the winter. We have no fans.
You've got no fans!
It's going to be hot.
We've forgotten tea towels, washing up liquid. We have got soap, thankfully.
Let's see how this goes. Welcome back, folks. It's another week, it's another adventure. This week we spent 48 hours travelling around our home county of Sussex. We hit up countrysides and coastlines. Hold up, let's just pop a little oil in the van first. Hello, mate. I'm back on the road. We head to Beachy Head for some epic views and a great park up. Then we hunt out some water spots to cool down and end up at Fell Beacon for a beautiful sunset. Let's pick up at our first spot and park up for the night, Beachy Head Pub. Hey folks, so you pick us up. We're on a trip around Sussex, doing 2 nights away in the van, and we chose to come to
Beachy Head Pub car park. But it's a mini heat wave at the moment, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
So yeah, we've come to a cliff top kind of car park, pub car park. It closed at 5 today, but we spoke to the people who work there and they were like, no, you're cool, just pull up, park up. So we did. I'm sure you would have seen some of that park up earlier.
Or now.
And Frankel's this way. This dog likes to pull. And so now we've taken a 2-minute walk just over the road to what is possibly the most stunning view.
So this is where we've just walked down to. Yeah, what a view, eh? Right, there's the lighthouse down there.
Command 573 gave their lives in the cause of freedom. 11,000 became prisoners of war. They volunteered and came in their thousands from the United Kingdom, the Commonwealth and the occupied countries of Europe to fight and defeat a great tyranny.
Yeah, you can walk quite far, that's what I'm saying, though. You can walk all the way over there. Yeah. Walk all the way to Eastbourne and round. I think you can walk the other way as well. So yeah, we're here for 48 hours in Sussex.
Yep.
Heat wave. We've come to the Beachy Head, literally us and one other van, and 2 minutes away, views like this. This is pretty lovely.
It's pretty sensational, isn't it?
And so yeah, we're just having a little walk, little recce. Might have a little picnic in a bit, eh? With these views.
That interests me actually. What do you prefer at a park up? Do you prefer it when there's sort of 3-4 vans, a few numbers, or are you like us when it's like if you're on your own, you're in heaven?
Then it's perfect.
Just wondering, interesting. And cities or countryside or beaches?
What do you
Hit us in the
prefer?
comments.
Oh, see, that's always weird, isn't it?
Someone just walked
Yeah,
past.
someone's
You feel like a right goon.
Yeah, talking on this mic.
Yeah. If you saw the setup, it's quite funny. It looks like
First time this happened.
a big furry hedgehog attached to a stick. It's not, what's the word? Discreet. Yeah.
It's not discreet.
But hey,
None of this is.
we want to share this with you guys so you can do it too. So
Look at that.
it's beautiful, isn't it?
Well, we're seemingly quite lucky at the moment, aren't we? It's like going to be like 26 degrees till quite late, and then some sort of like weird sea mist rolling in. We can see far away, not here, and then the temperature's just sort of dropped a little bit.
Which
And
is
for
perfect for Frank, isn't it?
this little guy, that is perfect because he, yeah, old Peter Panterson, we called him in the summer.
Hot boy already, Frank. Hot boy.
It's like, what is it, about 20 degrees I reckon.
Yeah.
Is his limit, and then he can't handle it, so dropped a little bit. Perfect for him. Lovely, eh?
And me. I
And
complain
you,
about the heat.
you're not a heat person, are you?
No.
Yeah, and anyone
energy.
watching this thinking, oh God, they're complaining. It's like, we're British, we complain about the weather.
Oh God, yeah. No, but we like to get out and walk and stuff. When it's too hot, Frank gets too hot. I do. Oh, ratty.
Yeah. Weird question though.
This way.
I have a theory that you prefer the weather which is around the time of year that you're born. And so I'm May, and so I kind of like sort of like warmish weather, not too hot, but warmish weather, kind of weirdly like what May is. And lots of other people I've spoken to have similar thoughts, and it's based around, I found, around the time of year they were born in. My brother is later in the winter and he prefers more wintry type weather, so I'm curious. What month were you born in, and do you prefer that type of weather, or is my theory completely bull? Let's find out.
And also, to add to that, I'm September and I like autumn.
Oh yeah, exactly.
A little bit cooler. I wish I was a little bit cooler.
Hello?
About 2 minutes walk just to recce our...
I don't know, should we have a little
Yeah.
recce left?
Yeah.
Frankel's has still got a little bit of... Let's take a picture of this, because it's Foul Beacon. 15k that way.
Foul Beacon, 15 kilometres that way. And we will be there tomorrow, won't we?
Yeah.
Tell us what it's saying, Kez.
The Mayor of Eastbourne, to commemorate the millennium, he put this compass in to symbolise Eastbourne's connection with travel and tourism. That was it.
Right, should we have a little wander?
Yeah.
So we dropped little man back off.
From what this looks like.
Yeah. Dropped little man back off at the van, didn't we?
Man in the van with a cam.
No, like, do we go and sit on that?
I don't know, let's have a walk round. Pretty easy, man.
Yeah.
Do what we please.
Why have we decided to come away in Sussex? So we decided to come away for 2 days because we looked at the weather, saw it as an absolute banger for the next couple of days, and then on Saturday, at the moment, it's going to be thunderstorms, so we thought, and then the weather's going to drop after that. The weather's looking lovely for a couple of days, so we were like, grab the laptops, grab the jackery, jump in the van, head off
Work on the road.
locally.
Be grateful for that every day.
Trying to desperately sort of explore our own local area. Well, we just got Britstops, didn't we, delivered today? Woohoo!
Yeah, we should do like
A little
what is
Britstop
it, like
review.
proper fancy people do. Unveiling and unboxing.
An unboxing, fancy people do an unboxing
We're
today.
doing an unboxing of our Britstop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll do a little Britstop review for anyone who's never had a Britstop. It's our first time with a Britstop. Getting the Britstop magazine, they have an app this year, so yeah, we're going to have a look through that later.
Well, we saw a couple, didn't we? Of like, there's vineyards, farms, cider farms.
Yeah,
Museum. There was like an RAF museum, wasn't there?
there was.
Yeah. Did I say vineyards?
Yeah, you did say
Hotels,
vineyards.
loads and loads and loads of pubs, but quite a lot of them are destination pubs, so they'll hopefully be in the countryside. But yeah.
But yeah, we decided to come away in Sussex. Saw it's not easy. Like it's pretty not like frowned upon. I don't know. People don't like people camper vanning. We found this legend of a park up. Great people in the pub, so we could just stay there. And then yeah, going to go to Foul Beacon tomorrow night. Try and keep out the sun, or because Kez would like to be near water, find some water for her and Frank.
But can I say one thing?
I love the beach as well.
Can I say one thing?
What do you want to say?
I get that van life in England isn't always the easiest, but I do think it gets a bit of a bad rep when you've just got to be a bit more creative. Like this park up we're at tonight is a pub that's got this huge back car park to it. Ring them up, they're absolutely fine with you staying. All they ask is that you grab a drink from the bar. So
Well, actually, they didn't actually ask that.
Well, no, they didn't even, did they? So,
We did, but
there
they didn't
is
ask
ways
that.
to support and work with businesses in the area.
Oh,
And
yeah,
you've just got
definitely.
to, have a little look around, chat with people, and join things like Britstop. I think that's, but Park for Night's brilliant, but Britstop's also awesome because it's like you had a little bio from the companies that were like, you're going to be so welcomed here. Oh, that was it. There was a antiques place you could go where it had 90 different antiques dealers.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and it had like a little petting thing, farm thing, had rides, all free entry. And they said in it, like, you'll be welcomed with a smiling face. We want you to come and enjoy the area. And then if you wanted to stay more than one night, there's a campsite.
Nice.
So yeah, you can van life in England.
Oh yeah,
And in the south.
Yeah, you definitely can.
Yeah.
Just a little trickier. On tonight's menu, we have a cheeky little selection of sushi, a takeaway salad, bellissimo. Then we sat back for the evening and watched the sunset and relaxed. That's all we got time for this week, folks. Join us next week for part 2 of our 48 hours in Sussex. Do we survive the heat wave? Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with someone you love. You never know, they might want to park in a pub car park. Oh, and leave us a comment to say hi. No pressure. Until next time, folks. Bye for now.